Hey everybody, it's Ivy. So today I'm doing this really pretty mystical blue set. I was inspired by Sydney Alexis. I just love her nail tutorials. So right here I'm just removing the natural shine from my nail bed using a sanding bit and my nail drill. If you guys are interested in this nail drill, I will have it linked below. Now I'm going to go in and apply tips. The tips and glue I use will also be linked below. So once I was done applying my tips, I wanted my nails to be super long. So I basically kept the whole nail. I just cut it off where the little number is. And today I think I'm going to do a square set because I just love how square nails look on my hands. So now I'm going to take my file. This is my 180 nail file, and I'm just going to go in and perfect my shape, just making everything nice and clean. I like my nails kind of like a tapered square, and I just repeated the same process on every nail. So once I was done shaping, I went in with my Mia's Secret Bond, and I like to use 2 coats of this on my nails. So I'm using this GlitterBels acrylic for this set, and I think this is called like Angel Wings or something like that. I will have it linked below, the exact name of the color, and I'm also going to be using these blue reflex. So I'm going to go in and apply a small bead of acrylic. I'm just using this so the nail is tacky, so I can go ahead and apply those blue flakes. And I just pick them up with a wet brush and go ahead and sit it down. And throughout the process of the nail, I did pick up more small beads of acrylic just so it can be sticky and adhere right to the nail. Placement of the flakes is literally up to you. I don't think Sydney Alexis used flakes, so I did go in and add that little touch to it just to make it my own. And just go in again with small beads of acrylic just to build up the nail. And now I'm going in with another small bead of acrylic because I'm getting ready to put down my what are these called? It's like little nail accents. I'm using like the little triangles, the moon, little stars. I will have these linked below as well. And this is what creates that nice little mystic look. I think these nails would be like perfect for Halloween. They're really cute. It definitely gives you that, I don't know, kind of like a witchy vibe. And you guys know I'm really into stuff like that, so I really love these so much. Now, how many nail accents you add is up to you. I kind of feel like I went a little overboard, but I just really love gold, and I wanted a lot of accents in my nails. And now I'm just picking up that acrylic again and going over those nail accents, and I am building up the nail as well. I'm adding another bead because I do need to go in and build up my apex in the nail. But I want you guys to notice I'm using very small beads. I don't want them to be too thick, to make the nail like bulky and really ugly looking. So as I've been learning with doing nails, I noticed in this set that I'm actually making my apex a little too, it's in the right position, but I'm making the overall nail too thick. So keep in mind, you guys, you want to add more product towards the middle and thin it out from the top to the tip. And right here, I'm doing my cuticle bead, and you guys, I've gotten so much better with my cuticle beads. I'm so proud of myself. Like, they're so easy to do now. The only thing, like I said, I'm still trying to work on is not making my nails so thick. I think this set came out pretty good. It was a little thick, but not too much. Like, I can deal with it. And now I'm just going to speed up the video, and I'm going to show you guys the same exact process on each finger. And remember to try to keep your acrylic thin, because we do have to go in and cap and clear as well. So now I'm going to go in with my Mia Secret Clear, and we're going to be using this to cap the nails and also build up some strength. And as you guys can see here, I'm still using like really small beads. I just bought me this really nice like practice hand so I can learn how to use bigger beads. That way I can speed up the amount of time it takes me to do one set. But when you're beginning like me, you know, always start with small beads. And as you practice, you'll learn how to control the acrylic way, way better. Because when I first started doing nails, you guys, like my cuticle bead, I just couldn't figure it out. No matter how many videos I watched, you know, doing nails is honestly something you have to learn with practice, and you just get better the more you practice, I promise you guys. So now I'm going to go in with a fine nail bit. I will have this link below. And I'm just going to smooth out the nails and, you know, fix up the shape and remove any lumps. But I did do a pretty good set. Like, this is one of the smoothest sets I've done. And you just want to repeat that on each hand. And now I'm going back in with my nail file to perfect my shape and make everything nice and sharp. I love a good sharp square set. I'm also still working on doing that. While I think I get my nails like clean enough, I don't feel like they're as sharp as they could be. So I think that has something to do with me using a little bit too much acrylic and making the nails so curved. I'm working on trying to make the nail not this curved. The nails don't look as straight as I like it sometimes. I watch Sydney Alexis a lot, and her nails are more straight. So I'm trying to learn how to do that. And once I was done filing, I'm just going to go in and buff the nails just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. This is a step I wouldn't skip because this just, you know, when you go in and apply your clear coat, it just makes everything look so nice and smooth. And make sure you remove all of your dust, you guys. I use this little brush now to remove my dust because, you know, using a brush the regular brush ain't enough. You need like to scrub the dust off your nails, especially if they're like translucent nails. And I wanted to show you guys this really cool nail lamp I got. It's actually cordless, and this thing works so good, y'all. Like, oh my God, I love it so much. I will have it linked below. Definitely try that out. So now I'm going to go in with my top coat, and I'm using a nice thin layer. This is something I also had to learn, not to use so much top coat because that can mess up your shape as well. So just take your time, do a nice thin coat. Make sure you also paint underneath the nail. This is just going to help everything look more translucent and like crystal-like. Definitely don't skip that step. And you guys, these nails turned out so cute. Like, I was so proud of this set. Like, thank you, Sydney, for giving me inspiration to do this. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to go in and let my nails dry for, I think I did 120 seconds. And after I was done drying, I did go in and apply some cuticle oil. I will have the oil I use as well linked below. And this is the finished result, you guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Make sure you thumb it up and click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video.